For thousands of years, humans have been eating parts of animals that most people today wouldn't even consider putting on a plate. Yet some of the world's most celebrated dishes were built from cuts that were once considered scraps, leftovers, or food for the poor. The surprising part is that many of these forgotten foods are now more expensive than the premium cuts that replaced them. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Food Genesis and turn on notifications. We uncover the fascinating history behind the foods people love, hate, and completely misunderstand. Modern supermarkets have convinced many people that the best parts of an animal are neatly packaged steaks, chicken breasts, and pork chops. But for most of human history, wasting edible food was unthinkable. Every organ, muscle, and bone had a purpose, and entire culinary traditions were built around transforming neglected cuts into remarkable meals. Beef liver is perhaps the most dramatic example. Until the 1970s, it was one of the most commonly consumed cuts of beef in America. Then the low-fat diet movement labeled organ meats as unhealthy, and consumer habits changed almost overnight. Yet liver remains one of the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth. It contains extraordinary amounts of vitamin B12, iron, and protein packed into a single ingredient. While modern diners often overlook it, nutrition experts consistently rank beef liver among the most nutritious foods available from any animal source. A food once considered a household staple became a victim of changing dietary trends. Bone marrow followed a completely different path. For centuries, it was associated with poverty because it required people to crack open discarded bones after the valuable meat had already been removed. Hidden inside was a rich, buttery substance with an intensely savory flavor. What was once considered a butcher's leftover eventually found its way onto restaurant menus, where chefs discovered that diners were willing to pay premium prices for something their grandparents received almost for free. Today, roasted bone marrow is often served in upscale restaurants around the world, proving that value in food is often a matter of perception. Tripe, the stomach lining of a cow, has survived in culinary traditions across multiple continents. It requires extensive cleaning and long cooking times, but the reward is a uniquely tender texture that absorbs surrounding flavors exceptionally well. From Mexico to Italy to France, cultures developed entirely different recipes around the same ingredient. Despite its humble origins, tripe demonstrates how necessity often drives culinary innovation. Few foods have experienced a fall from grace as dramatic as beef brains. For generations, they appeared on menus without controversy and were even used in traditional breakfast dishes throughout parts of the United States. Then, concerns about bovine diseases transformed public perception almost instantly. A food that had been eaten for decades largely disappeared from the mainstream, showing how quickly scientific discoveries can reshape eating habits. Beef tongue remains one of the most misunderstood cuts in modern supermarkets. It requires patience to prepare, but once cooked properly, it becomes remarkably tender and flavorful. Jewish delicatessens, Mexican barbecue traditions, and Korean cuisine all independently embraced beef tongue long before it became fashionable among adventurous diners. Across different cultures, people repeatedly arrived at the same conclusion: this unusual cut was simply too delicious to waste. Perhaps no food creates more debate than foie gras. Produced from the liver of specially fed ducks or geese, it has a history stretching back thousands of years. Supporters view it as a culinary masterpiece, while critics question the methods used to produce it. The result is one of the most controversial luxury foods in the world, surrounded by legal battles, ethical debates, and passionate opinions on both sides. Chicken gizzards tell a different story. Birds lack teeth, so they rely on a muscular organ to grind food internally. That organ becomes one of the toughest and most flavorful muscles in the animal. Throughout the American South, fried gizzards became a beloved comfort food enjoyed by generations. What began as a practical way to use every edible part of a chicken evolved into a regional favorite. Blood sausage may be one of humanity's most universal foods. Across Europe, Asia, and countless other regions, cultures independently discovered that combining blood with grains and fat created a filling, nutritious meal. The names differ from country to country, but the idea remains remarkably similar. It is one of the clearest examples of how human societies often reach the same culinary solutions despite being separated by geography and language. Beef heart is exactly what it sounds like, the hardest working muscle in the animal. Because it functions continuously throughout life, it develops a texture and flavor unlike any other cut of beef. In Peru, grilled beef heart skewers became a national street food tradition enjoyed for generations. What many people view as an unusual organ is celebrated elsewhere as a culinary icon. Pig ears challenge expectations because they contain very little meat. Instead, they offer a texture created primarily by cartilage and skin. In Filipino cuisine, pig ears play a central role in dishes that are treasured across the country. The very characteristics that cause some diners to hesitate are precisely what others value most. Oxtail tells a similar story. Once considered a throwaway cut, it is packed with connective tissue that slowly transforms into rich gelatin during long cooking. Cultures around the world discovered independently that the tail produced exceptionally flavorful stews and broths. Today, rising demand has turned a former bargain ingredient into one of the most sought-after cuts available. Rocky Mountain oysters may have one of the most misleading names in food history. Despite the title, they contain no seafood at all. Served throughout parts of the American West, they emerged from ranching culture as a practical way to avoid waste. Over time, they became a regional specialty celebrated at festivals that attract thousands of visitors each year. Pig trotters complete the story. Composed mostly of skin, tendons, cartilage, and bone, they require patience and skill to prepare. Yet those same qualities allow them to produce some of the richest broths and most complex textures found in traditional cooking. From Europe to Asia, chefs transformed a seemingly insignificant cut into the foundation of extraordinary dishes. The history of food is filled with ingredients that were once ignored, rejected, or misunderstood. Again and again, cultures discovered value where others saw waste. What one generation considers undesirable often becomes the delicacy of the next. The forgotten cuts of yesterday have repeatedly become the prized ingredients of today. If you enjoyed this journey through the world's most misunderstood foods, be sure to like the video, share it with a fellow food lover, and subscribe to Food Genesis for more fascinating stories hidden within the foods we eat every day. We'll see you in the next episode.